Oh, hey there, you. Are you ready for today's lesson? I know I am for sure. Did you like that video that I just showed you? I hope you did. Now, remember all those fun days that we practiced learning about money? Well, today we're going to mix a little money in with a new topic that we're going to learn about. Okay, now we've been rounding this week. Today, we're going to do a little something more than rounding. Right? Today, we're still going to round, but it's a new way of rounding when we use money, okay? Now, this word is called estimation. Say estimation. One more time, estimation. All right, now, what is estimation? I'm glad you asked. Estimating or estimation is when you make a thoughtful guess by rounding. I say it again. When we estimate, we make a thoughtful guess by rounding. When we estimate, our answer is not exact. That means that we're guessing, right? We're making a really thoughtful guess. So it's not necessarily the exact number that we're looking for, but it's close to it. Okay, now, when we estimate using mula, dinero, un poco money, right, we round up, okay? When we estimate about money, we round up. We never want to round down or stay where we are simply because what if you had to pay $2.75 for something, right? And they said, oh, you owe me $2.75. And you have to estimate. You have to make a really good guess about how many dollars you're going to need to pay for that. If you round it down and just said, oh, okay, here's $2. What about the 75 cents? It's not enough. So you have to round up to the nearest dollar. You have to think, about how many dollars would I need to pay for this item that is $2.75? I need to round up to the nearest dollar. So after $2, I get $3. So if I round it up, I would say I need about $3 to pay for this, okay? Now, you heard me using the word about. When we estimate while we're shopping, you heard me use the word about. Some key words for estimating are about, it's about $3, or it's close to $3, or it's almost $3. Those are words that we can use when we are estimating, making a very thoughtful guess about what the price is going to be. Now, we use estimates when we're shopping, kind of like what I just said. We look at the price and then we round up, okay? Now, let's practice. Look at all these pictures that I drew. Do you like them? I hope you like them. It took me a really long time to draw. I'm not as good as you guys when it comes to art or Miss Weldon, but I'm trying. Okay, all right, now let's practice. This is my basketball, ballin' in a basketball hoop. Now, it says that it costs $9.97. I'm going to use my rounding skills, right? Okay, now remember I said when we estimate, when we're looking at prices, we look at the price and then we round up to the nearest dollar. So let's say Isaiah wanted to buy this basketball to play outside in his backyard. About how many dollars would Isaiah need to purchase this basketball? Well, I know I have $9.97. So if I round up, I know the next dollar is, what comes after 9? 10. So Isaiah is going to need about, I'm going to write the word about, $10. Okay, I rounded up to the nearest dollar. Okay, now let's look at this one. What girl would want this little dolly here? What about Chloe? Hey, Chloe. Now, Chloe wants to buy this doll. About how many dollars would Chloe need to purchase this? Let's look at the price. I see $6.44. Now remember, when we're estimating, we look at the price and we round up to the nearest dollar. Now, I see $6.44. If I round it up to the nearest dollar, about how many dollars does Chloe need? Go up, up, up. The next dollar would be $7. Chloe would need almost $7. Okay? She would almost need $7 to pay for this if I am estimating how many dollars I need. Okay, now let's look at this one. Ooh, that looks so yummy. But before, here is the key word. Watermelon. I love watermelon. Okay? That's the key word for your exit ticket. Okay, now let's do this one. Okay. Ooh, I see Skittles. Skittles. Ooh, Skittles. I love Skittles, by the way. I like any candy, don't you? Okay, I have Skittles. It's a little bag of Skittles here. It says it's 57 cents. Okay, what kid do I think likes Skittles? What about Yue? Yue, I know you probably like Skittles, right? Okay, let's say Yue wanted to buy a bag of Skittles and she wanted to buy this bubble gum. The bag of Skittles cost 57 cents and then the bubble gum was 25 cents. About how much cent does Yue need to buy Skittles and gum? All right, well, I see 57 cents and 25 cents. I need to estimate. Okay, so now if I try to add this, let's see. 7 plus 5 is, let's see, my 10s, my 1s. 7 plus 5 is what? 12. Okay, so I would write my 2 here, carry over my 1, just to do a quick 5, 6, 7, 8. So this all together is really 82 cents, okay? So after I add that together, now I'm going to estimate to see which one of these cents is closest. If it's 82 cents, she needs about 70 cents or 90 cents. Now remember, we round up. So look at 82. If I round it up, would that be 70 or would that be 90? It would be 90 cents, okay? So Yue would need about 90 cents, okay? Now remember, if you see a problem like this, you need to add the cent together first so that you can tell about how much cent you would need to buy it, okay? I just estimated. Now, ooh, yummy hot dog. Oh, it's making me so hungry. I'm actually hungry right now. I could go for a hot dog. Okay, now let's read this. My hot dog, it says it's $1.25. I'm going to estimate. So I look at the price. Look. And then I round up. Okay, now, about how many dollars do I need to buy this hot dog if I round it up? Good. I would need about $2 because remember, when I estimate, I make a good guess about how many dollars I'm going to need to purchase this. So I know I have some cent, but I need to estimate. So I need to know how many dollars am I going to need to pay for all of it. About $2 or pretty close to $2. Okay? Good job, friends. I'm so happy you tuned in today. Now I'm about to go eat my watermelon. See you tomorrow.